Let's start with Adobe, shall we, Art? Do you like it or not?
Yeah, we do like it. It's a name that's been on our focus list this year, and was actually tracking the Nasdaq, so off a bit. But then September rolled around, and they announced a acquisition of a company called Figma. And Figma's an interesting company. It's been around since 2012. It's privately traded. And it was actually gaining some traction in what's called collaborative creative activities, and it operates on the web. So it was actually a disruptor and a competitor to Adobe. Adobe decided to take them out. So what happened in September was they paid $20 billion for it, half cash, half stock, and the half cash portion, that $10 billion, investors had assumed would be put into share buybacks. So that disappointed investors pretty quickly. I think they misunderstood the acquisition and how accretive it could be in 2023. So the deal closes in the first quarter of next year. They expect it to be accretive by the end of the year. Adobe currently trades at about 22 times, which is cheap for Adobe historically. They just had 13% revenue growth in their last quarter, and they had a record $4.43 billion in revenues, and they're running at 87% gross margin. So I don't think they appreciate the acquisition just yet. I think as we work our way into next year, it'll start to become more apparent how important this acquisition was.
Next up, Art, is Salesforce. Year to date, down some 37%. Is it a good opportunity to get in or a good opportunity to stay away?
I think it's probably a good opportunity to continue to avoid. So Salesforce CRM has missed its last quarterly numbers, and it's missed 2 out of its last 3 reports. And if that wasn't bad enough, their co-CEO, Brett Taylor, is stepping down. And co-CEO with Mark Benioff, who is returning. And one of the things that people really liked Brett Taylor for was he was really more of an operator and operating the assets they had. One of the things that Mark Benioff has been known for is a bigger picture guy, and he's actually made larger acquisitions. And I think that the fear is without the operator, Brett Taylor, who had done a pretty good job of aligning CRMs or Salesforce's operations and optimizing things, is that we're going to go back to that Mark Benioff, let's make some big acquisitions and see how long it takes to get them online. So yeah. I think that they've got at least a full year of underperformance.
Let's move on now to one that's really topical and timely and also controversial, FedEx.
Yeah, we kind of like FedEx here. I think it's a real turnaround. Obviously, they missed a couple quarters in a row, even after pre-announcing. But I think they're really looking to achieve those cost reductions that they talked about. So obviously, everybody in logistics overbuilt during the pandemic, whether UPS, FedEx, or even Amazon. But I think the global shipping industry is consolidating. I certainly think it's got a high barrier to entry. I think FedEx is finally getting it right. And I certainly think at where it's trading now, it's trading at a company that could likely have a significant turnaround. Needless to say, consumers shifted their focus from goods to services. So there's been a slowdown in goods purchases that's adversely affected everybody in logistics. But I think FedEx is probably, if any, one of the best turnaround stories in this whole bunch that Goldman put on the list.
All right. That's fascinating. Thank you very much, Art. Art Hogan. We appreciate it.